Hello, all of you, once again to a new day of earning from the team of On to Gain. Here I am Aniket, your host, and I'll be sharing with you a very great app that is providing presently withdrawal all over the across the world. And it's named. I will share you the name later, but it's a great app. And let's first share of you with some details. I go on to my WhatsApp and share you something. Let's give you a share of my WhatsApp. Just take a look. Yes, here all we need to do in this app is click the register button where we have to enter our email and enter our Polygon wallet ID and enter the referral code. That's all we have to do to start mining. Okay, so click the register button, enter your email and enter Polygon wallet ID. Now where we will get the Polygon wallet ID? We have to go to our Trust wallet, open our Trust wallet, go to the two dot section on the rightmost corner from where we can search for tokens. We click here Polygon. See, Polygon Matic is active. We click on Polygon Matic. We have a receiving address. We click on receive. See, this is the address. You have to copy the address from here and then paste it on during installation of the app. So let me give you a look of the app. During installation, you will need to enter these three things. Click on the register button, enter your email ID, and now the received address that we have on Polygon wallet ID, we enter the wallet ID there. Okay, and after that it starts running mining. And another one thing, you have to put the referral code there in order to start mining. Okay, that's all. Now let's go to the app. Let's see what the app is really looks like. So I click on the term Pixel. The name of the app is Pixel, and let's take a look. The app is opening. It's getting updated. See, a screenshot has been coming. The session has expired and is getting updated. MPX is getting updated. It is saying ready for mining. So it will flicker several times. After that, we'll start mining. Okay. So let's see. Now we're ready for mining. Click on ready mining. It has started. It has given us with an ad, and with that ad we have started seeing the ad first, and after that the mining will start automatically. Let's click on this, minimize this ad by crossing it. See, the mining has started once again. Now here we have got invite. We have to invite here. Each referral increases the mining rate by plus 20 per hour. Means once you invite one onto your Polygon, Pixel, your hash rate increases by 20 MPX per hour. That's all. And during withdraw, when you click on withdraw, we have to go to settings and see we have got our referral code, we have got a wallet, and there are many more things. We have got contact address. We have to copy this contact address and go to Trust wallet and do the withdraw there. Okay, and that's all. Is on Pixel. So I hope you enjoyed the video on Pixel, how it is going to let you earn and how you're going to maximize your earnings by doing invitation, and how you're going to withdraw it to your Trust wallet into a Polygon Matic chain. That's all. So till then, have a great day, have a nice time. This is Aniket from the team of On to Gain, and have a great day. Tada.